Hello friends, today I will going to discuss about the Indian politics and media. So firstly I will discussing about the Indian politics. So friends, politics of India works within the framework of the country's constitution. India is a parliamentary democratic republic in which the President of India is the head of state and Prime Minister of India is the head of government. It is based on the federal structure of government, although the word is not used in the constitution itself. India follows the dual polity system, that is federal in nature, that consists of the central authority at the center and states of the periphery. The Constitution defines the organizational powers and limitations of both central and state governments. It is well recognized. Fluid preamble of the Constitution being rigid and to detect further amendments to the Constitution and consider supreme, that is the law of the nation must custom to it. There is a provision for a bicameral legislature consisting of this upper house, the Rajya Sabha, Council of States, which represents the states of the Indian Federation, and a lower house, the Lok Sabha, that is House of the People, which represents the people of India as a whole. The Constitution provides for an independent judiciary, which is headed by the Supreme Court. The court mandate is to protect the Constitution, to settle disputes between the central government and the states, to settle interstate disputes, to nullify and central or to protect the fundamental rights of citizens, issue rights for their enforcement in case of violation. There are 543 members in the Lok Sabha who are elected using the plurality voting, first past the post system for 543 single member constitution seats. There are 2245 members in the Rajya Sabha, out of which 233 are elected through indirect election by single transferable vote by the members of the state legislative assemblies. 12 other members are elected nominated by the President of India. Governments are formed through elections held every 5 years unless otherwise specified by parties that secure a majority of members in their respective lower house, Lok Sabha in the central government of and Vidhan Sabha. in the state. India has its first general election in 1951, which was won by the Indian National Congress, a political party that went to dominate subsequent election until 1977, when a non-Congress government was formed for the first time in independent India. The 1990s saw the end of single-party domination and the rise of coalition governments. The election for the 16th Lok Sabha, held from April 2014 to May 2014, once again brought back single party rule in the country, with the Bharatiya Janata Party, that is BJP, being able to claim a majority in the Lok Sabha. There are basic structure for government of states in India, that is, India has a federal form of government, and hence each state also has its own government. The executive of the state is the governor, equivalent to the president of India, whose role is ceremonial. The real power resides with the chief minister, equivalent to the prime minister, and the state council of ministers. State may either have a unicameral or bicameral legislature, varying from the states to state. The chief minister and the state minister are also members of the legislature. That is all about the Indian politics. Second one is MedRA. So friends, MedRA stands upon the medical dictionary for regulatory activities, that is universally applicable or acceptable from all over the world. So MedRA coding is important in ICSR, that is used across all the globe, regions or countries. A terminology for coding: all medical information oriented during all phases of development and marketing. That is, first one is disease, second one is signs and symptoms, third one is diagnosis, fourth one is indications, fifth one is lab investigation and procedures, sixth one is causes of death, and last one is medical, social or family history. That's all coded into the MedRA. So in short, we will see definition of MedRA. So MedRA is a clinically validated international medical terminology used by regulatory authorities and the regulatory pharmaceutical industries. The terminology is used through an entire regulatory process, for pre-marketing to post-marketing, and for data entry, retrieval, evaluation and presentation. So friends, that is definition of MedRA. MedRA was developed by the International Conference on Harmonization, that is ICH. It is owned by the International Federation of the Pharmaceutical Manufacturers and Associations, IFPMA, acting as trustee for the ICH steering committee, and MedRA maintaining by the MSSO, that is MSSO stands upon the maintenance and support service organization. MEDRA is maintained by MSSO, that is responsible for updating and maintaining MEDRA and distributing the terminologies on license to users in the industry or regulatory agencies. In MEDRA, there are MEDRA version updates. MEDRA will be updated twice in the year. First in the month of March, which comes .0 version, and second is month of September, which comes .1 version. MEDRA dictionary will be installed in the PV database or on the before first Monday of the May and November respectively. In MEDRA, there are five terms, and MEDRA is classified into the 5 hierarchies, that is SOC. SOC stands upon the system organ class. Second one is HLGT. HLGT stands upon the higher level group term. Third one is HLT, that is stands upon the higher level term. Then PT, that is stands upon the preferred term, and last one is LLT, that is stands upon the low level term or lower level term. There are 27 terms are included into the SOCs. In HLTs, 337 terms are included. In HLT, 1737 terms are included. In preferred term included 24,820 terms, and in LLT included 83,291 terms. So there are two types of words or terms, that is lexical variants. Lexical variant means this refers to the different term used for same expression. These may include full names against the abbreviations and direct under the inverted in order, that is in short, medically similar. Two terms are similar, but two terms meaning are similar, but terms are different, that is fever increase and increased fever. And second one is synonyms, that is same meaning and various words, that is neonatal for newborn baby, that is neonatal, and new baby. Classification of LLT and PT has clinical classification, pathological and etiological classification, and classification of HLGT as anatomical classification, pathological classification, physiological classification, and etiological classification. That's all about the MEDRA. So friends, in this session we will discuss about the Indian politics and some informations about the MEDRA dictionary. So thank you friends, you have a nice day.